Okay, as you can see now, I have the motor mounted and I soldered it and got it back in. Remember, you may have to widen these holes that's under the casing to be able to pass the screws through correctly, but everything looks to be mounted and on. The motor is a different color, of course, but they all seem to match up and go. Now this is going to be I'm going to test the motor. I got a battery here that's fully charged, so we'll see what happens with the test hit. Okay, since I have everything mounted, I'm ready for the test power up and hit. I have my controller here, which is the version 1 stock controller. As everybody knows, there are 2 versions of the Flying 3D X8. This is version 1, and I have it all set to manual. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to power it up, see if we got good connections, all the lights are working, and on the display I'll check voltages and make sure that the telemetry is coming across, all but the GPS. We'll have to take it outside for the GPS to test, but I'll do that after I put everything back together. At least if it works, I can fly it in manual mode without GPS. So here we go. Okay, looks like we got all good lights. Turn it on the controller. Okay, we're showing a voltage and altitude, distance and speed, so we're getting telemetry. 0 satellites, of course, yaw speed, but we're getting telemetry from the voltage and the altitude, so that lets me know the flight controller on board is working. So next will be a test of the motors. That's the main thing that I want to know, if all the motors are going to spin and not have any issues. Okay, just lay it flat right there, see what we get on the controller. That's flight speed. It looks like my left-hand motor is a little bit laggy, but I'm hoping that is due to calibration. But the other motors look just fine.